Imagine waking up, opening your laptop or phone, and making $100 in a single day, completely online. No office, no boss, no fancy degree needed. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in 2026, this isn't just a dream. It's a very real possibility if you know the right methods. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how you can do it, step by step. But first, let's be crystal clear. This is not some get-rich-quick scheme. These are legitimate, proven strategies that real people are using right now to earn a living online. It takes work, but it's absolutely achievable. Ready? Let's dive into the first method. Method number 1, freelancing with AI assistants. Freelancing has always been a great way to make money online, but in 2026, it's faster and more efficient than ever, all thanks to AI tools. Services like content writing, video editing, thumbnail design, voiceovers, and creating social media posts are in massive demand. You can find clients on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer, and they still pay really well. Here's the secret sauce. Use AI to supercharge your workflow. Let's say a client pays you $20 to design a single YouTube thumbnail. That means you only need 5 clients a day to hit that $100 mark. With modern AI design tools, you can create a stunning thumbnail in less than 20 minutes. Instead of spending hours on one project, you can now handle multiple clients in the same amount of time, drastically increasing your earning potential. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. Next up, method number 2, YouTube automation shorts. And the best part? You don't even have to show your face. You can create viral short-form videos using AI-generated voices, high-quality stock footage, and simple text captions. There are so many popular niches that work incredibly well for this. Think about interesting facts, motivational quotes, history lessons, or even spooky horror stories. The possibilities are endless. The monetization here is powerful. A single viral short can earn you anywhere from $50 to $300 through the YouTube Shorts Fund and ad revenue. The key is consistency. Aim to upload 3 to 5 shorts every single day. Over time, your channel will grow. And you can also monetize through affiliate links in your descriptions, creating another stream of income. It's a numbers game, and with shorts, you get many chances to go viral. Let's move on to method number 3, affiliate marketing. Don't let anyone tell you affiliate marketing is dead. In 2026, it is still an incredibly powerful way to earn passive income. The concept is simple. You promote other people's products like digital courses, AI software, or online tools, and you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Let's do the math. If you're promoting a product that gives you a $25 commission per sale, you only need to make 4 sales in a day to hit your $100 goal. Just 4, you can promote these affiliate links on all your favorite platforms. Create review videos on YouTube, make engaging clips for TikTok and Instagram Reels, or even design eye-catching graphics for Pinterest. Find a product you believe in, share it with your audience, and the sales will follow. And finally, method number 4, selling digital products. This is one of my personal favorites because you do the work once and get paid for it over and over again. A digital product can be anything from an ebook or a guide to a set of AI prompts, social media templates, or digital planners. I've seen countless creators who are easily making $100 a day or more from a single simple digital product. You can use platforms like Gumroad or Shopify to host and sell your products with ease. Then the promotion strategy is key. Use short-form video on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts to drive traffic directly to your product page. You provide value, solve a problem for your audience, and they'll be happy to purchase your solution. So, we've covered 4 powerful methods. Now for the most important tip of all, focus on just one. Don't try to do all 4 at once. Pick the one method that excites you the most and dedicate yourself to it. Give it 30 days of consistent, focused effort. Remember, the formula is simple. Skills plus consistency equals money. You have to learn the skill, and you have to show up every day. If this video helped you out and gave you some clarity, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed for more ways to make money online. And if you're serious about this journey, comment $100 down below to let me know you're ready to start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.